how to replace a memory, RAM or DIMM. Step 1. Use proper ESD precaution before opening a system. By this way, you don't get electrocuted. Step 2. Power off the CPU and ensure to remove the power cable. Step 3. Remove 2 screws in CPU backside. Step 4. Remove side cover of the CPU carefully. Step 5. Press gently the 2 locks in motherboard. RAM comes up on the slot. Step 6. Take the defective RAM. Step 7. Replace the new RAM into the slot and press gently. Note: ensure RAM is seated properly and locked correctly. Step 8. Connect back the side cover and fix the 2 screws. Step 9. Connect the power cable back. And that's how it is done. Thank you.